This is how to use no copyright music from Tunetank absolutely for free for your YouTube videos. First step is to search for tunetank.com and you have to search which music you want. I'm gonna click on this one and I'm gonna download some music. You can use whatever you want. And I'm gonna use it in my prepared video. I have some footage here. Import music. I mostly use Tunetank for background music and you can simply edit volume. And this is how to use free copyright music, but it's not done yet because after you have uploaded your video, there's gonna be restriction on your video after a couple of minutes. And don't be shocked, just edit your video details and copy your video link to clipboard, and next you have to search for Tunetank copyright claim and submit here your link, and the copyright claim on your video will be done, and that's it. And as you can see, I have no claims found on my video because I don't have music used from Tunetank on this video. Hope it helps and see you next time.